Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Square Invoices for tax categories and receipts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Square Invoices homepage. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. If you already have an account, click on Sign In and enter your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the dashboard. On the dashboard, find the Invoices tab in the navigation menu. Click on the Invoices tab to access the invoicing features. Next, look for the Settings or Account option. Click on Settings to manage your account details. Within the Settings menu, find the section labeled Tax Categories. Click on Tax Categories to view options related to your transactions. Here, you will see the option to add new tax categories. Select Add Tax Category to create a new category. Enter the name of the tax category you wish to add. Input the tax rate associated with this category. Once you've filled in the details, click on Save or Add. To access receipts, return to the dashboard. Locate the Receipts section within the invoicing area. Click on Receipts to view and manage your transaction records. You can now categorize receipts according to the tax categories you created. For each new invoice, select the appropriate tax category from your list. Remember to save changes before leaving any page. You are now set up to efficiently manage your tax categories and receipts with Square Invoices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.